In this video, we'll show you how to check when your Pixel phone is using 5G mobile data service. To use a 5G network, you need a 5G compatible phone, like the Pixel phone, and a 5G data plan. You'll also need to be in an area where your operator offers 5G service. For some operators, you may need a new SIM card to use 5G. To check if your Pixel phone is currently connected to 5G service, swipe down from the top of your screen. Tap Internet. If your Pixel phone is connected to a 5G network, the top line will display the name of your operator and 5G. For up-to-date information about 5G compatibility, performance and availability, check with your operator. Now you know how to understand when your Pixel phone is using 5G mobile data service. To learn more about your Pixel phone, watch our other videos or visit the Help Center.